Hey everyone, I know it's pretty random, but long story short, this time I can't go home for my mom's birthday, which is on 19th, and neither can I go home for my birthday, which is on the 22nd. And basically, I'm stuck here in Guwahati giving my exams. But the best part is, I just received a parcel from Subsagar, all the way from Subsagar. Mom and dad have sent me this beautiful parcel, and I just can't wait to open it and see what's inside. So guys, I've just opened the parcel, and the first thing what I see is मेरे मम्मी के हाथ के बेसन के लड्डू, which I love. I was not expecting her to get the time to make these because she's so busy with her school and everything. But yay! और ये घर की चाय पत्ती. This is the best chai patti I have had in a long time, and so I prefer these. And I know what it is because I specially asked for it. Out of all the chocolates, I love Dairy Milk, but these are my childhood favorites, and Dad just got it for me. So I know what it is, and I'm really excited for it. Yay! This is like a yearly tradition for me that mom and dad, even if they celebrate my birthday in a very grand way, they would still end up giving me this cash as a shagun or as a niki. They give it to me, and I thought they forgot about it, but thank you so much, Amma Abba. Thanks for this. So the best part of the entire parcel thing is here. Ever since I was a kid, my mom and dad have never missed a single chance to dress me up on my birthday. Even if we have been far away for a long time, ever since my bachelor's, I've stayed away from home, but they never missed a chance to send me dresses and dress me up as a princess. And this time too, my dress with me, and I can't wait to see it because my mom and dad's choice are always the best. Oh my god, this is really, really pretty. I can't wait to wear this one. It's so pretty. This is really pretty, especially the brooch. It's really, really pretty. It has beautiful design. So at the end of the day, even if we are far from our homes and adulthood has not been easy, but at the end of the day, our parents just don't leave a chance to make us feel special, and they just try every single thing to make it up to us that distance doesn't matter. We are still their children. And thank you, Amma Abba. I just thought of recording this video because every time I receive a parcel, I'm way too excited because there's always a surprise inside. And this time I just thought of recording it and keeping it as a memory, a short clip. So thank you. I love you. Bye bye.